In today's video, we'll review the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner, a game changer for making your kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. If you want to avoid the hassle of excess water while preparing salads, this spinner might be your best companion. Let's dive in. Review: OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Design and build quality. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner has a 6.22 quart capacity with a sleek white design. Its durable plastic construction is ideal for long-term use. The sturdy lid and clear inner bowl double as a serving bowl, adding functionality to its modern design. Key features. 1. One-handed pump. The standout feature of this spinner is its one-handed pump mechanism. With just one hand, you can spin and remove excess water from your salad, saving both time and effort. 2. Patented brake system. The patented brake system allows you to stop the spinning with a simple button press. It's quick and efficient, making the process smooth. 3. Storage lock. The storage lock holds the pump flush with the lid, making it easy to stack and store the spinner while saving space. 4. Non-skid base. The non-slip base ensures stability during spinning, giving you a seamless and steady experience. 5. Removable basket. The spinner basket doubles as a colander for rinsing greens or other vegetables, adding extra convenience. 6. Multi-purpose bowl. The transparent bowl is not just for spinning, it can also be used for storage or serving salads directly. Pros: extremely easy to use. Saves time and effort. Simple to clean. Space-saving design. Multifunctional for rinsing, spinning, and serving. Cons: slightly pricier compared to regular spinners. The plastic bowl might not be ideal for holding heavier vegetables. User experience. This spinner is fantastic for daily salad preparation. For health-conscious individuals who regularly consume salads, it's a total game changer. The one-handed operation and practical features make it worth every penny. If you're looking to simplify salad preparation, the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.